Workflows don't just pass around text and numbers. They can also work with real documents, PDFs, reports, images, even video. Files are how your workspace holds onto those. Some you upload, others your workflows can generate. And any block can read a file in as a single object or write a new one back out. If your process involves managing content, it'll probably run through files. Let's see an example. A lot of the work your team handles starts as a document, an invoice, a report, notes from a call. In SIM, those documents live in your workspace as files. A file can arrive in several ways. You can upload one in a chat, post one to the API, or pull one off an email as an attachment. However it arrived, inside the workspace, every document becomes the same thing, a file object with an ID, a name, a URL, a size, and a type. Here's a workflow that processes them. A Gmail trigger hands its attachment to a file block, an agent reads it, and Supabase stores the result. When an email arrives, the trigger starts a run. It downloads the invoice and makes it available as an output that any block can reference. The file block points at the trigger's first attachment, and when the run reaches it, that reference resolves into the invoice itself. The agent reads the document directly and extracts the fields you asked for, the vendor, the total, and the date. You can see them in the run's output. Supabase writes those fields into the invoices table as a new row. From here, they're data that any of your tools can query. Files go out the same ways they come in. A run can email a document, upload one to Drive, or write a new file back into the workspace. That was one document. The trigger fires for every email that arrives during the day, and each invoice is read and written to the table the same way. After the run, the document is still in your workspace as a file, and the values it carried are rows in the table. You can go back to either one. That's files in SIM. Documents come in, workflows read them, and the results land where the rest of your tools can use them.